Alright, let's be real. Plastic is out of control. From the streets of Mumbai to the beaches of California. Every year, India dumps more than 9 million metric tons of plastic waste. The United States? A mind-blowing 40 million metric tons. That's enough to build a plastic mountain the size of the Empire State Building 1,000 times over. What's crazy is, less than 10% of it actually gets recycled. India does 8%, but the United States is doing a terrible job. It sounds insane, but the country is recycling only 5%. The rest? Piling up in landfills, floating in our oceans, or getting burned and releasing toxic fumes. But it's not just an environmental disaster, it's a financial burden. India loses over $13 billion every year trying to manage plastic waste. According to reports, India could potentially lose over $133 billion in material value by the year 2030 due to unmanaged plastic waste. The United States? A staggering $32 billion wasted on cleanup costs, landfill space, and ocean pollution. And if we consider the material value loss like in India, that number could exceed $200 billion by 2030. But what if there were a game-changing solution? A startup in Noida, India has developed Kagzi bottles, a 100% compostable, plastic-free bottle made from recycled paper. So, how does it work? How much does it cost? And can it actually replace plastic worldwide? Let's break it down. India is stepping up with Kagzi bottles, a revolutionary solution that offers bottles made from recycled paper pulp with no plastic lining and no chemicals. 100% compostability, breaking down in under 70 days instead of 450 years. A waterproof and durable design to prevent it from turning into a soggy mess. It sounds promising, but what about the cost? Plastic bottles are extremely cheap, costing between 3 and 10 cents per bottle. Kagzi bottles currently cost around 20 to 25 cents per bottle, roughly 2 to 3 times more expensive. However, here's why that could change. Mass production will bring the price down, just like it did for solar panels and electric cars. Governments worldwide are introducing plastic bans, forcing companies to find alternatives. If major brands like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and Nestle made the switch, it would mark the end of plastic bottles as we know them. The plastic era had its time, but it is time to move forward. Kagzi bottles prove that a better future is possible if companies and consumers take action. And the United States needs more such solutions and innovations as well. What do you think? Can paper bottles replace plastic? Share your thoughts in the comments and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more groundbreaking innovations.